Hello friends. Welcome to RIFTech. Let's learn how to connect .NET application to Azure Storage. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of connecting an Azure Storage account with a .NET application. Whether you're building a web app, a desktop application, or an API, this tutorial will provide you with the knowledge you need to integrate Azure Storage into your project seamlessly. To explore more on this, go to riovtech.com and check out the latest content. This blog contains all the interesting content related to Azure Platform as a Service, highlighting its key features, benefits, and practical use cases. Explore how Azure PaaS empowers businesses with scalability, flexibility, and seamless integration capabilities. Check out the link given in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.